How you feeling, Chris?
Good.
Nervous?
Coffee with pants. Well, because my skull is in the skull.
It is a skull. Congratulations.
I'm really scared. I think I'm going to die.
You scared?
Guys, it's G36 It's got sensor, flashlight, laser, and EO detection.
Quite nice, that. Many bricks.
Adam, strike a pose. Strike a pose. Yeah. That's how we roll.
Where's my dad gone?
Up there somewhere.
He's gone away.
I think we can pay in now.
Hey guys,
Nervous?
shit in my pants.
Oh yeah!
Oh hell no! Oh hell no!
Hold it. Wait, let me put this on.
What's up?
Let's put this on first.
Boom. MTV.
I want people on Facebook to see me.
Many bricks being shot. By me anyway. No messing.
Just a little pussy.
No messing. No messing.
Good lad. You're really scared?
Shit in my pants.
I want to see emotion on your face. Oh, Chris got a boo-boo. So you're going to have a look around at our guns?
No, I haven't.
Yeah.
Don't.
Come on.
It's on the toilet little workplace.
Okay.
So,
I want to
on
get
the toilet workplace.
Adam's mask. That's a beast. That's a beast, that.
Big sniper gun.